Take a moment to check out the 2017 Ford Escape. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Ford Escape, the sporty, compact crossover that takes the stress out of your daily drive. Loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure, this agile SUV was designed around the demands of your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, power liftgate, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Take the stress antidote. Get into this comfortable, capable Escape. Relax and enjoy the journey. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.